The Indian economy remains resilient and is expected to be the fastest growing major economy in the world. The National Statistical Organization has projected a growth of 7% for the current year. Our financial sector today remains stable. The worst of inflation is behind us. Now, despite the multiple and overlapping shocks to the global economy from COVID-19 pandemic, the war in Ukraine, and the synchronized monetary policy tightening by central banks across the world, the Indian economy remains resilient and is expected to be the fastest growing major economy in the world. The National Statistical Organization has projected a growth of 7% for the current year, and for the next year 6.5%. In the Reserve Bank of India for next year we have given 6.4%, which is close to 6.5%. But this year the expectations are that India will record a growth of 7%, and that will be a growth by a major economy at which will be the highest among the major countries, the major economies in the world. Our financial sector today remains stable. The worst of inflation is behind us, and the Indian Rupee has exhibited the least volatility among the peer currencies. As you are aware, India has assumed the G20 presidency for 2023 in a world that is fractured in geopolitics, trade and supply chains. The Indian presidency is driving home the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, one future. The endeavor of the Indian presidency is to realize the potential underlying this philosophy.